We all want to add some distinguishing flavor to our favorite dishes, and cayenne pepper is probably one of your favorite spices. People have been using this spice for both culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Cayenne pepper not only gives heat and flavor to your dishes, but it also provides a variety of health benefits. It is part of the capsicum family of vegetables, commonly known as chili peppers, and it was originally cultivated in South and Central America. Its spicy heat comes because of the high concentration of capsaicin. We have listed some health benefits provided by cayenne pepper, including some of the reasons why you should be careful when it comes to including this spice in your diet. Cayenne pepper reduces muscle and joint pain, as well as inflammation. Applying cayenne pepper can be really effective in reducing muscle and joint pain, or even inflammation. This comes due to its counter-irritant effect. When applying cayenne on the affected area, it usually causes mild irritation to the tissue, distracting you from the original pain. Cayenne contains an active ingredient called capsaicin, which relieves pain by affecting the sensory nerves. Actually, it hinders the transmission of the neurotransmitter which is responsible for transmitting pain signals to the brain. Relieves migraine. Once cayenne pepper hits your stomach, your brain starts releasing endorphins, known as natural painkillers, if you have no problems consuming this spice. Add 1 to 3 teaspoons of cayenne pepper to a glass of water and there you have your instant remedy for migraine headache. Cayenne pepper powder promotes lower blood pressure. Cayenne pepper may also help to lower blood pressure if you suffer from hypertension. Research carried out on rats found that supplementing their diet with capsaicin had an anti-hypertensive effect. Capsaicin helped to dilate blood vessels and improve blood circulation. The scientists noted that there are complex interactions that result in capsaicin lowering blood pressure. One of the ways that cayenne pepper seems to lower blood pressure is by decreasing the amount of salt stored in the body. Cayenne capsules can improve digestive health. It may surprise you to learn, but the spicy components in cayenne pepper can actually promote healthy digestion. A 2016 review on the digestive benefits of cayenne pepper plant extracts found that there are over 200 compounds in chili powder. Many of these compounds have a beneficial effect on gastrointestinal health. For example, taking capsaicin supplements can help to relieve heartburn, stimulate digestion, and even prevent ulcers.